Indian yoga guru Ramdev has come out in open support of wrestlers protesting at Jantar Mantar for several weeks now. He did not hold back while lashing out at Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh, saying that the Wrestling Federation chief must be put behind bars. Ramdev said, and I quote, "The allegations of harassment levelled at the Wrestling Federation chief and for the wrestlers of the country to sit in protest at the Jantar Mantar is extremely shameful. Such people should be immediately arrested and put behind bars. He spews nonsense every day about mothers, sisters and daughters. This is an extremely condemnable evil act, a sin," Ramdev said. In Rajasthan's Bhilwara for 3-day Yog Shivir, an agitated Ramdev, when asked about Brij Bhushan not being arrested even after an FIR was registered against him, said, and I quote, "I can only give a statement, I cannot keep hold to close. I am capable of answering all questions politically, I am not intellectually bankrupt, I am not mentally or intellectually handicapped, I do have a vision for the country," the Yog Guru said. The businessman and brand ambassador for Patanjali Ayurved further said, and I continue to quote, "When I make statements from a political viewpoint, the matter turns slightly topsy-turvy and there is a thunderstorm." It is to be noted that Ramdev had often been under media glare for his statements in the past. It's been over a month now that the top wrestlers of the country are sitting in the iconic Jantar Mantar in protest against Wrestling Federation of India President Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh, who they have accused of sexual harassment of 7 women grapplers, including a minor. Brij Bhushan is accused of sexually abusing female wrestlers. 3 FIRs were also lodged against him in this case, but he has not been arrested yet. In the past month, the protesting wrestlers have visited various places in the national capital, including Bangla, Sahid Gurudwara and Rajghat, among others, to garner support for their movement against Brij Bhushan. Meanwhile, the wrestlers who are protesting have got the support of many parties, leaders and social organizations. Now, the wrestlers have got the support of Yoga Guru Baba Ramdev. In the meantime, the protesting wrestlers said that they will hold a Mahila Samman Mahapanchayat on May 28th outside the new parliament on the day of its inauguration by Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.